Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Translate and choosing the two languages you need. Once done, grant microphone permission so the app can capture speech. This is required. Make sure the input language matches what you'll speak, and the output language is what you want heard or shown. Tap the microphone icon to start listening. Speak clearly, at a normal pace, and include short pauses between phrases. This first step gets your audio into the system, so it can be recognized and converted. Now you control recording and how the translation is delivered. Switch to conversation mode for alternating speech. This helps when two people speak. You can tap a sentence to see alternate translations or to copy text. Make sure to use the speaker icon to hear the translated voice and adjust volume on your device. Some platforms let you change voice or speed. If background noise interferes, move closer to the microphone. These steps refine clarity and let you manage dialogue flow smoothly. To finish, review the translation and save or share the text as needed, and download an offline language pack for no network use. If transcription errors occur, re-record the phrase speaking slower and enunciating consonants. This often fixes recognition mistakes. Make sure your microphone is not muted and that permissions remain granted. If audio playback is missing, toggle the speaker icon or restart the app. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the app cache or reboot the device if persistent audio or permission issues continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.